coming in right now from Kolkata. Major chaos has broken out at the Salt Lake Stadium in Kolkata. And you can see those visuals coming in. The latest visuals coming in from the Salt Lake Stadium in Kolkata as the fans who were wanting to see football star Messi, Lionel Messi, who is in India, who's on a tour to India. And he's in Kolkata. Now, angry fans got angry as they could not get a glimpse. And they broke into the barricades, they broke the seats, chairs hurled by fans as there is a complete chaos breaking out at the stadium. In fact, the fans are complaining about this event, saying that Messi came for just 10 minutes and we could not see anything. There was nothing that basically this was a complete disappointment. And we have Executive Editor Niranjan Narayan Swamy joining us on the broadcast. Niranjan, tell us more details, please.
These are really disappointing pictures coming in from the Salt Lake Stadium in Kolkata. These are people, you're seeing people, fans wearing, Argentina, T-shirts. They're wearing the Messi colors, the Argentinian colors. They're poured out on, look at that, they're all vandalizing the entire stadium. Complete chaos breaks out as they vandalize the Salt Lake Stadium in Kolkata. Unprecedented scenes. This was supposed to be a huge event that was planned by the state government, but look at what it's turned out to be right now. There's complete pandemonium. The police also on the receiving end here. Things have gone out of hand, and chairs are being broken. These are chairs, stands, seats being broken. Messi was there only for a very short time. And then he was, he left in a hurry, and all these fans have been waiting there for hours to just get a glimpse of Messi. And it's turned out to be one pathetic PR exercise. And look at the chaos there. This is a stadium. This is the Salt Lake Stadium. People just, pouring inside the stadium. Look at that, trying to break that tent. They're breaking the tent. These are unprecedented pictures that you're seeing live on your screen right now. As fans pour onto the stadium, they go inside the stadium, they vandalize the tent, and this is crazy. I mean, the kind of situation that you're seeing right now. And fans are disappointed. Most of them saying that, it's complete rubbish what happened inside the stadium. People who love football, and we know that people of Kolkata.
Yeah. Right. In fact, what we are learning is that there were some leaders, there were political leaders who had actually, were surrounding Messi, Niranjan. So they could not really, they tried to take away, as much time as they could, and they blocked the view, and they were around him just for 10 minutes, and it's understandable, that the fans. Of course, there's no justification for vandalism, but this is a complete, this is a case of mismanagement or miscommunication as well, at least, prima facie. Niranjan.
It's chaotic, it's crazy. Look at the pictures. I mean, people are saying that the ministers went there with their family members. I'm just looking at some of the, reactions coming in. They're saying they went there with their family members. Ministers got pictures with Messi and with their own children, and this is completely crazy, the situation that you're seeing right here. And I want to describe these pictures because this is unprecedented. Look at that. Look at those pictures. As we speak, people taking whatever they get in their hand and destroying the stadium. The stadium is getting destroyed.
क्या होगा? 500 आदमी घेर के रखा मैसी को, सब नेता भी नेता लोग। हम लोग को क्यों बुलाया? ये देखिए टिकट 10 आदमी लोग, क्या करने आएंगे हम लोग? पब्लिक मतलब बेवकूफ है बंगाल में। देख लीजिए 10,000 रुपए का टिकट है, 12,000 रुपए का। एक शक्ल नहीं देख पाया उनका हम लोग। सब नेता लोग घोर के रखा है उसको पूरा एकदम।
পুলিশ হেলমেটের মতন ধরে রেখেছে রে ভাই।